This is period 3, preparation of phenyl benzoate by the Schotten-Bauman's method. Right, actually, the Schotten-Bauman's method is a benzoylation reaction in which phenols react with benzoyl chloride in the presence of a base like sodium hydroxide to form phenyl benzoate, which can be used to test for antimicrobial activity. But in this experiment, you would be determining the melting point of the product, which is the phenyl benzoate. So let's go through your procedure. Basically, you would be dissolving 1 gram of phenol. The reaction is between a phenol and a base, the sodium hydroxide, first off, then with the benzoyl chloride added subsequently. So first thing, step 1, you dissolve 1 gram of the phenol into a conical flask containing 15 ml of sodium hydroxide solution that has been prepared already. So once you've introduced the phenol into that 15 ml of the sodium hydroxide, mix it well. All right, mix it well, but don't lose any volumes. Okay, ensure to mix it well first, then add 1 ml of the benzoyl chloride from a burette. All right, that will be done in a fume cupboard because the odor coming from it is so toxic, it is so pungent, so you wouldn't want to inhale the gases. Okay, so you have to do this in a fume cupboard. The benzoyl chloride will be supplied in a burette in the fume cupboard. So after mixing the phenol and the sodium hydroxide and mixing it well, so you just drop 1 ml from the burette into the conical flask containing the 2 reagents already. Then after that, you have to cork it. Use a cork to cover the conical flask. You are corking it so that you would be able to shake it vigorously. So you have to cork it, then shake the content vigorously for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then after that, you would have to uncork it, that is removing the cover. Okay, then after uncorking it, then you would warm it in a steam bath, all right, for some few minutes. Then the next thing you would have to do is, after warming for some few minutes, once it's okay, like warmed, don't allow it to boil. Okay, just to warm. So after warming it, you allow it to cool under running tap water. Just get close the conical flask to tap water, be hitting the bottom of the conical flask to initiate faster cooling. So allow it to cool under running tap water, all right, until what you have in the content of the conical flask start solidifying. Once it has solidified and it's well cooled, now filter, all right, collect the residue and then recrystallize, all right, just as I've explained in period 4, and that was done previously. If you listened to the summary of period 4, I've explained how you should recrystallize. So once you feel that, then recrystallize using the suitable solvent that has been provided for you to recrystallize from. Then allow it to dry overnight. So it's going to dry, then you are expected to determine the melting point of the phenyl benzoate, which is the solid. All right, so that is basically it, and report accordingly. I've also told you guys how to report. Don't be found wanting in this regard. So this is all about the preparation of phenyl benzoate by the Schotten method. So there are some basic questions you're supposed to know. You're supposed to know what the Schotten-Baumann method is all about. How is it done? What process is involved? What are the reagents? What is the product? Okay, so you're supposed to know this. And also note the equation of reaction for this particular experiment is very important. It's something you are expected to know having carried out the practical. All right, and that is basically it. And good luck.